Hey, I hope you're doing good. It's Chris here from Sixth String Fingerpicking. In this lesson, we're learning how to play Away in a Manger. Okay, so let's get into it. We're in the key of G and we're in 3/4 time. And the first few bars go like this. So that's a G chord. And then it's going to go to a G7 with a B in the bass. And then that links onto C. But I'll really break it down. So all you've got to do to start off with is just hold down the 3rd fret on the 6th string for your G chord. And begin by playing the 4th string open. And then you're going to play the 3rd and the 6th string together. Followed by the 4th string. And then the 3rd. So you've gone like that. Then play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string. And then open 2nd string. So far. Alright, and then again you're going to play the 3rd string and a 6th string together. This time the 3rd string will be open. Follow that with the 4th string and then the 3rd. So. Okay, and then open 2nd string and then 1st fret on the 2nd string. So if you put all of that together, you've got this. And then after that comes this G7 with the B in the bass, so G7/B. So what you want to do is hold down the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, the 2nd fret on the 5th string, and the 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and also the 3rd fret on the 4th string, okay? That's what it should sound like. Hold that down and play the 2nd and the 5th string together, followed by the 4th. And then what I do is I'll play the 2nd and the 3rd string together. And then open 1st string. So. And that links straight onto a C chord. Hold down a C chord and play the 2nd and the 5th string together. Followed by the 4th string and then the 3rd string. Nice and simple. And then we're transitioning to an A-7 chord. So what you want to do now is play the 2nd string open with the 2nd fret on the 5th string. Okay, and then just play the 1st fret on the 2nd string. So, and that leads to your A-7. So from there, just take your 2nd finger and move it to the 4th string, 2nd fret, and that's your A-7. And then when you're there, play the 2nd and the 5th string together, followed by the 4th string, the 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. So from the C, okay, now let's go right the way back to the beginning because that's the first 4 bars. Then it goes back to G after that, so just the 3rd fret on the 6th string is all you need. Play that with the 2nd string open, followed by the 4th string, then the 2nd. Okay, and then 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open 2nd string. So that's. Okay, and after that it goes to an A chord. So hold an A chord down and play the 3rd and the 5th string together, then the 4th string, and then open 3rd string. So that's. And then comes a D, and I play it here. So that's just the 4th fret on the 4th string and the 5th fret on the 5th string together. So from the G. like that. So then that basically goes round again, but it changes at the end. So basically go back to the G just like before, the open 4th string, and then G7 with the B in the bass, just like before, and then C, just like before. Walk down, so your A minor 7, back to your G, and then this is where it changes. Instead of going to the A here, instead of doing that, this time what you get is from the G to a D chord. Okay, so it's just the last bar. Basically, that's different. So we're on the G. We play the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, followed by the open. As I say, just like before, and then D with an F sharp in the bass. So here, what you want to do is play the 3rd string, 2nd fret, with the 2nd fret on the 6th string. Play that together, and then all I did was play the 4th string open, followed by the 4th fret on the same string, and then just a G. So there I'll play the 3rd fret on the 6th string with probably the 4th and the 3rd string in there as well. Okay, so it's exactly the same as the first time through the progression, but instead of going to the A at the end, we go straight to a D. And that resolves back to the G. So let's now go right the way back to the beginning and play through slowly. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Back to the beginning. This time D, G, and then that would just go through again and again and again. So that's it for this lesson. I really hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you want to get the whole tab and the whole lesson, that's available down in the description on my website. Also on my site, there's hundreds more fingerstyle lessons, fingerstyle song lessons, everything fingerstyle, and also there's loads more Christmas fingerstyle songs that you can access right now. So check it out if you want to.